Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Fatma. I do fashion and style videos showing you how to style outfits different ways. So in case you're interested in such videos, please subscribe down below. But I know you're interested because we wear clothes all the time. People need to know how to style their own clothes different ways. So make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Like, share, comment, and you can scroll in my channel. I'm a new YouTuber, yes, but you can scroll down my channel and get to see some of the videos that I've done. Watch and please share with your friends, share on your social medias. Yeah, so I've been lost for a minute, but it's because I'm trying to balance work life, and it's December. It gets so hectic, but I'm hoping to be still here. So today's video I'm going to show you different ways of how you can style a head wrap, and I'm going to use a very simple head wrap like this. Such a head wrap you can get at New Chronicles. I'll link her details in the description down below, and also here around here I'll link her Instagram channel, so you can contact her. And she sells Ankara head wraps, and they go for around between 400 to 600. And she has bomb. When I mean bomb, I say bomb, with good prints, Ankara. So go check her out and try this style. So today I'm going to show you 5 ways of how you can tie your head wrap beginner friendly. Very simple. You don't need any, I don't know, I mean, it's just simple. You'll see. Just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and let me know which one is your favorite style. And yeah. so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the styles. I hope you're willing to try, and please let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite and which one you're willing to try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.